guys, hope you all are doing great. This is Samadrita and you are watching the Lifestyle Care. Today I will discuss the most affordable skincare range by Lakme. These products are not only budget friendly but also perfect for beginners as well as for those who want to include all types of skincare products in their skincare regime without burning a hole in their pocket. In fact, all these products combined have cost me less than 1000 rupees. So without any further ado, let's start. First, I'm going to talk about the Lakme Blush and Glow Kiwi Gel Face Wash. This tube retails for rupees 115 and the quantity is 50 gram. This face wash does deep cleansing and is meant for all skin types. The face wash has kiwi extract and the cream includes the kiwi seeds, which kinda gives an exfoliating effect as you wash your face. It instantly provides a cooling effect and the product has a refreshing smell. Next, I have Lakme Blush and Glow Gel Scrub that contains the goodness of green apple and apricot. This 50 gram tube retails for rupees 125 but I bought it for only rupees 113. This product is suitable for all skin types and has a delightful smell. The scrub bits are really tiny and it does thorough exfoliation of dead skin cells, making your face feel smoother and softer. This has now become one of my favorites. Next, I have Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Clay Face Mask. This tube contains 50 gram of the product and retails for rupees 299 but I bought it at just rupees 239. This face mask has the goodness of green tea and comes with a non-drying formula. It claims deep pore cleansing and oil control. This product is perfect for all skin types, especially people with acne concerns and oily skin. Again, it doesn't dry your skin out, so people with dry skin can also use it. This product also smells great. I love it. After keeping it for 15 minutes, I have rinsed my face with cold water. See, it has made my skin instantly bright and fairer. Next, the product is Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Face Toner. The product also has green tea extract and gives a mattifying effect. This bottle contains 60 ml of the solution and retails for rupees 249 but it is available at rupees 194 at Amazon. It has a spray head which makes the application easier and cleaner. It gets quickly absorbed into the skin and gives a quick refreshing feeling, leaving a minty smell behind. Next, I will apply Lakme Blush and Glow Fruitilicious Sheet Mask in the Kiwi variant. Trust me, this is one of the best sheet masks I've ever come across and it only retails for rupees 100. The sheet mask contains 20 ml of the serum and gives instant hydration to your skin. I will leave the sheet mask for 20 minutes to dry. I am super happy with the result. The serum gets quickly penetrated into the skin and it doesn't make your face feel extra greasy. It also gives a fresh glow with a matte effect. People with oily skin types are gonna love this one. Lastly, I have Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Mattifying Moisturizer. This 50 gram jar retails for rupees 349 but I purchased it at only 272. The product also features the goodness of green tea and is perfect for all skin types, especially oily skin and combination skin types. It also offers a super cooling effect with a matte finish. The smell is very gentle and the cream is very lightweight. So that is it guys, I have left all the product links in the description below. Do check them out. These products by Lakme are really underrated and they deserve more appreciation and recognition. I am absolutely happy with my purchase and I love using them on a regular basis. For hot and humid weather, these products are just perfect. Go for it. So see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.